Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakweno Holding, they respond to wetin one caller talk for a Emmanuel Agbogun video. The caller say in dey disappointed say Stanley Osaze no dey criticize the Edo State governor again, Godwin Obaseki. So make I leave you, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze. The respond we won't give to this caller, we call for a Emmanuel Agbogun video. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakweno Holding, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, and the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise. Please, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, thank you very much for your understanding. I remember humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakweno Holding, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, the CEO Stanley Sadi Enterprise, the CEO of Woman Edo State. I'm very glad this morning that we all woke up successfully, and this is a new year, 2021, and in this new year, it's not as if we are the most handsome or the most qualified person or the greatest man who ever lived or the greatest woman who ever lived, as the case may be. But we find ourselves in this new year, which simply means that our ubiquitous God is strongly behind us. There are so many handsome persons, so many ugly persons that have lost their lives. Even some saw on the 31st, few minutes to the new year, they lost their life. So if you are opportune to be alive today, it's not by your power, it's not by your mind, it's because you have been approved to be in 2021 by our ubiquitous God. So I think in all we do, we must first of all ensure that we give who honor is due. Our ubiquitous God deserves to be honored. Our ubiquitous God deserves to be praised. Our ubiquitous God deserves to have everything that human can afford. Now, I just wanted to respond to a caller, although I don't know the caller, but I know he watches me every day, and the information is sent to the public, although there was a very strong response from my friend and my very close friend Emmanuel Agbogun to these persons, but I think it is expedient that on my part I have to really answer or respond to the call he made. I have to really respond to the call he made so as to check the information he sent to the public. Now, in the call he made, he said, I am disappointed at Comrade Osakweno Holding. I am disappointed. Comrade Osakweno Holding no longer criticizes the governor. Comrade Osakweno Holding no longer criticizes the governor. He is busy showcasing himself. I want to say this matter clearly. I am not the kind of person that showcases. But if it is normal for everyone to celebrate the new year, it is normal for everyone who have the opportunity to see the new year to be happy. So if peradventure from my marriage anniversary, which was on the 20th, till about on the 3rd or on the 4th, even on the 5th, on the 6th, you are seeing me celebrating both my marriage anniversary, my new year, I don't think it's enough for you to be angry. And secondly, with all due respect to this same caller, I want to state this clearly, that by the power of God Almighty, I am the kind of person that I'll be the last person to come out to begin to say, I am this, I am that, I am this. I will be the last person to do that. But this is not to say that on our part, we've not been helping ourselves. We have been doing all that for a couple of years. And even when some persons tried to malign my image immediately after the elections, I was glad that, yes, anything that I have today, I already posted before the elections. And what he said is that Comrade no longer attack Obaseki. Maybe Obaseki has given him a dime. I want to state this clearly, publicly. I have never seen a kobo from Obaseki. A dime. I have only seen so many cobbles from my leader, the secretary to the state government. I won't dispute that. I cannot come here to deceive you. And I did not support Obaseki because I want Obaseki to give me a dime. No. I strongly believe that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. It is our collective responsibility to defend what we believe it is right. And let's be sincere to ourselves. We all knew while we were fighting the governor, we knew in our mind convincingly that the governor was performing. But if you look at the petitions, if you look at the disagreements of everyone and the submission, sorry, excuse me 1 minute. The submissions of everyone, you agree? Yes, the submission of everyone. If you look at the submission of everyone, you agree to the fact that none of these persons ever come out to say Obaseki did not perform. No. Including myself, we all fought because we believe that he has refused to do it the way it ought to be, which is servicing politicians. It is normal to serve politicians. Let's not dispute that truth. It is normal. But when servicing politicians becomes the basic priority of an administration, at the detriment of the Ratas, at the detriment of the Jetan, at the detriment of the Olopoloi in our contemporary urban society, it becomes a problem. And I think servicing politicians goes beyond going to government house to share money. What is the idea that you are bringing in to bear? What is the idea that you are bringing in to push the state forward? If peradventure you are coming out with an idea and you know that that idea is feasible, and as a result of lukewarm or lackadaisical attitude on the part of government is throwing away such idea because government wants to see more money for themselves, then you can begin to come out to protest to say we have solutions to this specific problem, and this is a big problem plaguing our society. But as a result of the fact that the government decided to do this, that, they have refused to accept, and then we understand. But in a situation where we just say, let's wait, it is on the 31st, allocation came in about on the 20th, or something on the 30th, as the case may be, it's time for, they have not distributed the funds. Why? Let's go and protest. Let's go and look for a way to unseat this administration. That was what we were fighting for. But to some extent, Osakolo decided to have a rethink. And I said, no, I will not be part and parcel of this. This is as a result of the fact that so many persons have been prevailing on me, advice from different corners, different quarters, to say, telling me, comrade, this is your last time. If you made a mistake, you end up regretting. But thank God I yielded to the advice of so many persons. And today, I'm more or less like an illumination that shines in the dark. Nobody, see, when anybody tells you that darkness is bad, I mean, yes, darkness is bad, but light, there will not be importance of light if there exists no darkness. So I strongly believe that both the opposition and the ruling class is needed to be able to move the state forward. But now, what do you expect from me? You expect me to begin to criticize the governor? A governor that has just won elections a few months ago, as we speak, is subjected to different litigations. The same man that was qualified in the past to run as a governor under APC, today is no longer qualified, and you expect me to support such gross injustice? When Obaseki won the elections, a few weeks after his victory, I came out publicly to say, we needed a flyover in Igbobai Axis. I was attacked and brutalized on social media, not on ground. I was attacked. Why would you say you should come and be? I am not the kind of person that will see truth and begin to bend it. No. Even if we say, okay, the state resources is not enough for us to invest on such a disjunctive project or a monumental project, but I think it is expedient that we come up with an alternative means to decongest the ever-growing traffic congestion in the Igbobai Axis. And I still maintain my stance that if we cannot make use of flyovers, let's open adjoining streets, a new route like the Obi Road down that is already under construction. Like the Obi Road that is already under construction, like the the Adua College Road access down to hook up to was Agbo Park. Then, so if peradventure the vehicles or like the Igboba River upper road down to when you bridge the Igboba River at behind Guinness, and that road you are done is fixed to let's say third axis, you don't need to pass through the Igboba Hill to be able to get to the hills. Some persons might apply the Igboba Hill axis, some persons might apply the Lucky Way. What's the name of this street again? Upper Mission. Then some persons will take through third upper down to Igboba Hill through the bridge in Igboba River there. So those are things we advocated for. So if you expect someone like me to come out to say Obaseki, to begin to criticize this government without coming out to last a solution, I will not do that. And moreover, the governor won an election. You did not allow him to remain focused. As we speak today, if it is not certificate issue, you are talking about, you are coming out with his caricature, a picture to demystify his image. If it is not for you to demystify his image, you come out with some flimsy excuses and stories just to bastardize the administration, all because of the fact that the one you supported did not win. So, excuse me, 1 minute, my power source I have to change. Yes, please, a very big sorry for that. I have to change. So, the truth of the matter is very simple. So, if peradventure, a government that is supposed to be in power, a government that we all voted for, you now say you've not given him the opportunity to rest or to remain focused on the job. Time without number, you are looking for a series of excuses just to bring down the administration, all because the one you supported did not win. And you expect people like us to come out and say, Obaseki. If I should come out to say, Obaseki, that's to say, my head was not correct when I started the support for the administration. The government did not just start today. The government was supported based on its track record from the first 4 years. And we could recall that I was one of those who showcased the workings of the Obaseki administration in its first 2 years in office. Then we disagreed on the basis of the fact that the normal honorarium accruing to politicians was not coming in. So at the end of the day, we decided to say, no, let's do what is right. And as of now, the government has won, and the issue is still in court, and I will just come out to say, Obaseki, why you did that? Obaseki, they made me say, Obaseki. That's to say, my support for him was mere a lip service. A lip service support. Now, if there are no court cases, everything is okay, and we see lukewarm attitude on the part of government, we can energize the government to say, government, what is happening? This is supposed to be done, this is supposed to be done. We've not seen all that. We are just shouting, there is a separate hatred from governance, separate hatred from criticism. We need to know the discrepancy. We need to know the discrepancy between the both. You know that this one is hatred. This one not be government, the government matter with it all. This one because we hate this person. Let's understand the discrepancy. It's very important. Let us understand the discrepancy. Some persons will say, now the same man, the same guy in this call said, we no longer here for Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwena. Maybe you've not been following my videos. I am always out to interact. But I want to state this clearly. Now election is over. You are busy working, hustling in the diaspora to take care of your family. You are saying I should be on the live video 24 hours to begin to talk about government. Hello? Excuse me. Very sorry, please. I need the light. So the generator is misbehaving. Now the truth is, you are in your job. You are in your job. You work. After the elections, you work to cater for your family, and you expect Osakwena Oghodin to sit on social media 24 hours of the day to be saying, "Man, this one go sit down, this one fuck up, this one." I have a family as well to cater for. I have a family to cater for as well. I must as well also. Now we've not. I have said this before. I'm going to repeat it. I have never seen a dime from Obaseki. A dime. I have never seen a dime from Obaseki. I supported him fine. Now again, during the December period, distribution of food, stuff. This. It's not as if it's not as if I have no interest. It's not as if I have no interest in getting food. But I was not having the time to be there. You don't expect Obaseki to call me on phone to say, come and collect rice now. No. Or come and collect meat. No. The time I'm supposed to be there, I sit down in one bush or the other, say, yeah, let's make this place, want to take the coordinate of this place, want to take the coordinate of this place. And I am glad that I'm getting this job. So which time I want to go say, it's not as if I do not need it, get it clearly. And not tell you say, nah, don't pass that level. Now lie you, I needed the food seriously. But the time to collect that food was not there, mainly because of the fact that I will not allow my staffs to just be at the site to do whatever they want. So if there are mistakes in the work, I bear the responsibility. I bear the responsibility. Mr. Fendi Osas, maybe I will block you. I have not blocked person before, but I'm going to start it in 2021. Please, maybe I may block you. discuss on your comment. The both of us are above 18 years. We know what we want. So I will allow you free yourself. I will allow you make sure you make any comment you wish to comment. But please, do not give me a lead or tell me what to talk on. You have a Facebook wall. What you think I have not said on your own Facebook wall, and say it. After all, there are no limitations to who can do a live video. There are no limitations to who can do a live video. What Osakwena Okpodi have not said, and you think it is proper for one to say it on your media, come out and say it. It will help the society. Do not wait for Osakwena Okpodi to say everything. That is the same message that I'm sending to that caller. He is a great man anyway. He's a great man anyway. I respect him. I do not know him. But I'm only concerned about the message he sends to the public, and it's expedient. It is expedient that I check the information is disseminated to the public. What he said is he's busy showcasing. Obaseki gave him money. I have said this. I challenge anybody to come out. I have never seen it there, and I do not care. Obaseki is not the kind of person that will come and begin to distribute money to anybody. It is the truth. Go and confirm. It is the truth. He will not come out to say, come and take zero. So the truth of the matter is very simple. You are in your job working. I am doing my job as well working. The both of us are family. If I'm on Facebook here 24 hours, beating the one that is coming from Udo, beating the one that is going to Udo, beating one coming from America, beating the one that is going to America, beating or fighting everybody, that will show a sign of joblessness on my part. I do not want to be jobless. Me as I did so, I be hustler, strong one. Now we push wheelbarrow for this Benin, Oregbeni market. Nobody for this Bubai will not know me, except say that person now 5 years old. For the as big as Bubai, down from the beginning of Bubai to the end. Gorish, they go Odeasaga, Gorish, everywhere. All these places where they don't know me. They don't know me because I slap people. They don't know me because before you see a house, when me for not do the booking, carry block. Before you see house, when me for not do the booking, carry block. Walk from this my finger with the Yesu. This my finger. Ask my friend, my brother, Kolesimudia. You know of Kolesimudia Foundation. Now when I dig their sock away, now I get this injury. So many years ago, the sock away, you never stay foot in and I meet the gun. Ask him, he will tell you. I dropped that sock away before I even went to school. I still they go school. I still they do hustling. Me, I not be the kind of person where they come out, come they show, come they say. Somebody say Oslo Jeff Lewe say you think people will believe you that Obaseki do not give you guys money for talk back. My brother, be honest. This is New Year. I want to be honest to you. I have said it and I repeat it again. All what Osakwena Okpodi used as money in the election came from Edo in diaspora. And I did not take credit. If you follow my campaign activity, I never said all what I'm distributing now came from you. Everybody should come and help me. No. Even when I was distributing bags, distributing stationaries, many other things, when the women would be saying, "Oh, thank you," men would be saying, "Thank you," I would say, "No, do not thank me. I only came here to distribute what I have been sent to do." And I did not hide it in any day that I received blessings from Edos worldwide. I didn't even till tomorrow the blessings stay there. Now it's just that the blessings transcended from physical cash benefit to patronage. It transcended from physical cash benefit to patronage. As we speak today, I did not give myself the name, the Sea of Oman. the CFO man came from those in the diaspora. The first person who used that name to address me was Ambassador Dion Usaigi. Excuse me. The first person who used that name, Sea of Oman, to address me is Ambassador Dion Usaigi. Now, if you recall, in the elections, myself and Ambassador Dion Usaigi supported different political parties. But immediately after the elections, Dion Usaigi came up publicly to say, my supporters worldwide, I know Comrade Stanley is a reliable person. Give him your seal of O. So many other people came out, the likes of Politemodia Foundation, so many other people. So, as of today, if peradventure I have decided to say, hey, beat this one, fight this one, say this one, do this one, my dear brothers and sisters, the patronage I'm getting today will not be there, because they will know that this boy is an enemy of progress. They will know that this boy is an enemy of progress. One thing about me is I do not envy anybody. I try to encourage people as well to grow, because you'll be living in insecurity. If you are the one benefiting, every other person around you are suffering. That is the height of insecurity. That is the height of insecurity. I have done so many, as of today, since now, the cash, some person will say, oh, come, please send me your account till next week. I didn't say it is finished. You be correct, guy. Take. Some will say, comrade, I have a land in so place. Go, I want to do the CFO and survey. Are you telling me that after doing survey and CFO for somebody, I will not get my own money inside? So, are we not saying that that one is not enough to be called a head? I mean, the only one doing the job in Edo State. I never came out to say, this whole things where they happen. So now me do one, now me they do one. Me they say, oh, sir, no, what they? Or they say, I deliver Obaseki. No, I came out publicly to say, now tree near tree, let me more kitchen from tree to tree. All this potential and ability we will get to fight won't have materialized if there was no resources behind it. Even my friend Emmanuel Ekpogu came out on media to say, we are not looking at those in Nigeria here. They were not the one who delivered Obaseki. Those who delivered Obaseki are those in the diaspora. And the government knew. That was why he sent a message. Thank you message to all of them. He sent a thank you message to all of them. He knew. Did I spend my money? No. I did not spend my money at all. People gave me money to spend on their behalf, and I did not collect a dime from anybody. And at the end of the day, what they gave me a dime for, I refused to do it. No. Even in my group, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, before they sent the message, we work with budgeting, and I said Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. So many Edos. Comrade Nama, you be comrade Nama, you be. The truth of the matter is, if not be the support, how can you will even know comrade because we come out on social media to talk? You will not know me. So if peradventure people are not saying what they mean now when they say yes, not me, that would be foolishness on my part, because people made it possible. People made it possible. I cannot come here now to say. That's why I want to state this clearly. Are you aware that since after the elections, I've only visited government house twice, and that twice I was called upon to come. I did not just go because I want to go. It's not as if I don't love to go to government house. Get it clearly. Edo people have engaged me as we speak today. I am supposed to resume tomorrow, but I did not go do one work this morning. I'll run call as for sleep. Then officially I will resume my job. And I promise to give fine numbers to all Edo people Not from this Friday to the upper week Friday. Everyone that have applied for C of O through me must get their file numbers. So if after this engagement, I now come out to say, don't people not give me 1 naira, that would be the height of ungratefulness. And I was not trained to be an ungrateful person. I will never be ungrateful in my life. I will never be ungrateful in my life. And those people who I supported the movement. If Emmanuel can openly come out on the media, ITV to be precise, to say anywhere we campaign to, they will tell us, my brother, my sister, my uncle in abroad say we should go and vote for Obaseki. Ask yourself, why did Abroadians supported Obaseki? The reason is this. Now English was going to hold it, they speak. I have not seen development. I have a friend who said, do you know why I'm supporting Obaseki? I'm supporting him because he's bringing in the model in the Western world to Edo State. If you travel out of this country, Stanley, you will never support any government. But he's supporting Obaseki because Obaseki is bringing in new model. The idea of I will not share those people money, the idea of ensuring that the people becomes the first priority, the idea of ensuring that infrastructure is built, the idea of ensuring that human capacity development sees the light of the day. I say, wow, I shock. So I'm only responding to this great man because I don't know him, but I just want the information to be clear. Then he said something. Obaseki gave them money to build a house. Thank God, a friend of mine, Emmanuel Agbogun, responded. Although Obaseki was in government, I completed by the power of God. Sorry, I'm not supposed to say this, but I need to say it for purpose of clarity. I completed where I am 2 years ago. Where I refused to enter because where I am, where I was staying, still belongs to me. But one thing I've noticed in life is humility pays. Humility, it pays. That's why I still keep praying. God should not allow me see an opportunity that will make me deviate from my real person. As I did so, I know people laugh person. I know if you post laugh somebody. I know if people do it. Because you will never pass life finish. When they say nobody knows tomorrow, now for Boris and Paul, it's not peculiar to one person. Please, if you have not shared this video, share. If you have not shared this video, share. Nobody knows tomorrow is not peculiar to one person. It is for everybody. The rich can be poor and the poor can be rich. Now, let's take an example. If people like us do something, it will be shock things to people. You know why? Because we will not come back to show you, see what we do until you see them. We cannot come out to say, you don't know me. If you even see your shock, say, if you sure? Me, I think from here, use betrothed slippers, go Abuja. Nothing is too important. Nothing is too important apart from God. Nothing is too important. I did vice chairman of a community for years. Go and ask. I never one day went to his site to say, what's your name? I didn't do it. Go and ask. I have somebody that is watching me here now. Agboviosa Osayende Kelly is watching me. I sold the land to him. In fact, where he's building his church in my community, I sold it. He brought so many buyers. He's here now watching, and I expect him to make a comment. Mr. Agboviosa Osayende Kelly, please make a comment. Your comment is needed here to validate what I've said. I intimidated anybody, and I will never do such in my life. I will never do such in my life. Ask his here. I'm expecting him to make a comment because he has listened to me. He should make a comment to that effect. So, all through, I believe in something. Humility. So you will not expect me to come out now to begin to criticize Obasanjo. On what basis? I should criticize him to assist you to throw him away from the position that those people unanimously bestowed on him. It will be unfair. I go here campaign, talk your own, make I talk my own. Not me say I go let you win me. I go here campaign, talk me where they talk to you here now. If it requires us now to say now it is the time to stand for the defense, you will shock. I will stand. We will fight face to face, media or whatever, to defend what we believe in. Then after what we believe in, we must reconcile. That was why all through the media activity during the elections, I was running for Emmanuel Agbogu, my friend. He would call me, I want us to meet on ITV. I would say, no, don't worry, I don't have time. ITV, we call him, they will invite me. I want to know who is the person in the program. Say, I would not want to be there. But he thought that I was afraid. No, I don't want to use a statement, because in the course of my defense, I will do everything humanly possible to defend what I believe in. I may offend you and we are friends. So the best thing is, you should be saying your own in your own area. I don't care about what you say. I want to be saying my own. Do not care about what I say. After all, you are not the one contesting. I am not the one contesting. Go and defend what you believe in and allow me defend what I believe in. Some people say, he did not insult any of these youth. He did not insult. Why? Why would that now come out to say, hey, Mr. John, what's your problem? Go and sit down. No, are you the one running for an elections? We targeted those principal officers in the elections. We faced those one. Not be the one where they also say, after you talk finish, you go meet leader, say leader, more than 5 months. Now that one go to follow the name. No. It was an interest, and we have a responsibility to protect our various interests. Now, some people wonder, because one guy now, Mr. Austin Ekato, 247 in the past month's media, he go say, this Austin Ekato, so comrade, even till now, you have the way you were vocal in the election, you are no longer saying anything. Comrade, you are busy to issue your phone. You are busy to issue your phone. I use what? Believe me, I love that guy for one reason. I love that guy because he's attacking me. And if you think attack no good and you are making a mistake, attack is important because it shows you where your lapses is or lapses are, except if it's going extreme. Let's take an example. You are no longer attacking me based on the issue. You are not saying, no, but you come up and meet that person yesterday, you can say, no, that one is not acceptable. But when somebody say, you did not do this, I hardly insult commenters, even if they say, because I knew that anything when we talk, as me talk, there must be reactions. It must pay person. So person will pay, not pay. Not be me go tell her you want to respond. He will respond as so that I will read comment or the laugh. If you don't want to be insulted, leave Facebook. If you do not want to be insulted, leave Facebook, because Facebook and insult are Siamese twin. You are talking about public forum where everybody have divergent opinion. So if you don't want to be insulted, you believe say if they insult you, will pay you. No, they do Facebook. No, they comment, because if you comment, somebody will bash you. So some of us will not see insult as anything, but we'll try as much as possible to drive home our point. We try as much as possible to drive home our point without infringing on the rights of others. Now, secondly, the election don't finish. You say maybe you carry chest down. This one at 7 a.m. today now. Now because today I'm resting day and I work when I peg that work for about 10 o'clock. Before my staff, they are coming here now. Go do this work. So I should just sit on the media. Hey, he say, as you see my kids, they don't know whether Nigeria hard. Now me no say Nigeria hard. My wife no say Nigeria hard. Children, no one knows. You say you see that money to eat, you don't see food chop. No, I need to go and do my hustling. Election left for me. Once election the near, we will start again based on the interest. And secondly, sir, I do not follow the crowd. I not follow crowd in what I do. I do what I do based on my personal conviction. But I not shut my door. Say make I not listen to advice. I don't conclude. No, nobody is a monopoly of knowledge. The reason why I learn from people's mistake is that I listen, I observe before taking decision. Some people say experience is a great teacher. I refuse to agree. To me, I believe experience is a hard teacher. It teaches you the consequences of every action. Now, when you experience firebolt, he has taught you the hard way. You see the consequences of your action. Next time you will not do it. Except when somebody wants to learn from your own mistake. Except when persons want to learn from your own mistake. Now, Mr. Prince Lord said personal interest. Mr. Two-Face, I know you are a Prosy account. Yes, but I will want to say this, sir. If you have ever seen a politician that will come out to say it the way it is, I think Osakunokode is part of it. If you are following me, I said on a video, I said let nobody come and deceive you that at the end of the day they are fighting for you alone, that they are not fighting for themselves. Don't let anybody deceive you to say, I will come out now to say, oh my God, I'm only fighting for the people, I'm not fighting for myself. Now let me ask you a simple question. If not because I fought for Obaseki, if not because I fought to defend his interests, how many people would have known me? Is Obaseki benefiting my CFO now? Despite the fact that we are raising revenue for the government as well, am I not the one benefiting my CFO business? Am I not the one benefiting it? I said this before, both those criticizing Obaseki and those against him, those for him, all of them are CFO businessmen too. If Obaseki did not create that indirect job, how many of them would have been able to do CFO? Can you do CFO under Oshomole? The only place you can do CFO was under Lucky Benini on the regime. In Oshomole regime, even a big man cannot do CFO. At times you pay 11 million naira, you will not get CFO. So at the end of the day, who is benefiting the CFO? Is it not me? And I will not come and tell you now that I will sit and watch Obaseki, then them remove Obaseki. If they remove Obaseki, the next government may come and change the CFO policy. So all of us will return back to redundancy. So I will not come here to deceive you. I am benefiting. The CFO today is my employment as we speak, current employment as we speak. That's not the fact that I have other businesses. But the CFO is the business you know me to. Then I will not say I made a remove myself. So in the process of defending Obaseki, I am as well defending my own interests. I will not come here to deceive you to say I am fighting for you alone, I'm not fighting for myself. A lie. I cannot come out to tell you now, say if they bring something come, say they put food to ground, say choose, I'll say oh no, you choose before me. Nah, lie. I will still say, may they give me fair. Now when they come to say no, we want fair give that, I will say okay, may they fair give them. But that don't mean say, if I say now let 3 day grant and it go reach 3 of now, my brother will fair collect one inside, maybe see fair eat. Let nobody deceive you. Even in America, why is President Donald Trump fighting? If he say he loves America, and he wants to ensure the development of America. American people said, we don't want you, we want other people to come. It was okay, since you people are the one who said you don't want, go, let me just leave, since I want to work for you. But he's busy fighting. As at yesterday, the Washington Post released information stating that Trump wanted to use 11,000 votes. For let me not give all the information, go and get it in the Washington Post. I have not read it in totality. Every politician in the world, be it Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, America, at first they love their country, fine, but then let them not deceive you. While they are loving their country, they are loving themselves as well. So I am not Jesus Christ that will come out to tell you, I want to come and die for you. I can't die for you, sorry. I won't deceive you. I want to be blunt. I want to be sincere to you, and I want to be factual. I cannot die for you. The man who died for us, his name is Jesus. The man who died for you and I, his name is Jesus, not Osakwena Wodi. The reason why you see heartbreak in the heart and mind of so many persons is because they expect much. They expect much. I do not expect anything from anybody. I believe anything can happen. So that's why I try as much as possible to be myself. I cannot come out here now to tell you, now lie, I ought to fight to make sure say better for you, may not better for my own. Now lie. Now lie, sorry, I won't deceive you. No. I won't deceive you. I cannot deceive you. I cannot come here now to deceive you, for you to believe that no, we are fighting for a dauphin. As I am fighting for a dauphin, I am still fighting for my own. Now you and me may be a do. It not be say with in the process of fighting for the benefit of a do, you say, I'll say, I am Osakwena Wodi. Remove me from the benefit. Now lie. Sorry to say, if I should tell you that, I am deceiving you, and I am not ready to deceive anybody. If I come and tell you, oh God, they are not, I'm fighting, no level for my own. Okay, tell me now, say, okay, now let them remove the C of O from you. My dear brothers and sisters, truth they pay many people for ear, but we must talk them. If you like, you look me with different eyes, say, yeah, no problem. But I have told you the truth. In any moment from now, you see these children that are wrong, come on, Daddy, I want to eat. I got to say, no, it's not there. Don't eat. Go and look for a cross. Hang me. I want to die for a do. Nah lie. Nah, that is just the truth. Nah lie. So if you see anybody coming out to say, I don't fight for my personal interest, they are all nah lie. Anyone will come out and say, including me, I not remove myself. If I might use myself, start. You know, if I come out and tell you, say, hey, I want to die. I'm fighting for you. I can't fight for myself. My dear brothers and sisters, call me the height of liars in Edo State. We fight for you, we fight for ourselves as well. We fight for you, we fight for ourselves as well. Don't get deceived. Some people, I know this truth, I never tell this word before, I still repeat them again. This truth when you see so many people don't like it. This truth, many people they not like it. But it's better we say it as it is. Many people don't like it. They hate truth. They hate truth. Oh, good morning. They hate truth. They not go like am. No matter what you, if you just tell them now, say I matter business, they will say, oh, why now? Say, my dear Edo people, get yourself prepared. This is the basic fact. Nobody likes you more than himself. Nobody likes you more than himself. So if he can't tell you, say, or anybody can't tell you, say, while we were fighting, I fought to make sure that you benefit against me, it's a lie. So for now, we all have a responsibility to cater for our various families. So my brother who made that call, my dear brother, not be politics go fit make us bam. The truth of the matter is, if you even depend on politics, say you want your weight till when politicians call you say take money, your family will die of hunger. Not under this government, under Obaseki government. Go and hustle. Obaseki can only approve a project. Obaseki cannot give you money. Say you go meet and say, hello governor, when else I need money to buy ice cream. Even if your pikin come to say that they want to buy ice cream, you will drive on. You drive and talk of you go meet governor will not be your part. Give me money. No, that's the truth. So if anybody, even in our camp, this government camp, come out, come there, you say, no, we are fighting. We want to fight for the love. Oh, I don't want to move forward. We know I don't move forward. That is the truth. But don't be deceived. Go and check that person where on that round to get waiting the also. Why you did? And although the truth of the matter is that we all have a right to speak on Facebook, but I know say many people get sense to know say us all these men matter. They still get sense to know say and forget all this one. They see the hustle. At the hustle, not just and not come here come deceive you. I know pretend to come and tell you say now lay your own at the fight when I allow at the fight for your own. In fact, at the fight for my own too. I not tell you say now lay your own at the fight for which one. At the end of okay, I'll come fight finish. At the end of the day, me know they okay. The truth must be said. The truth must be said, and I believe the truth is the only mechanism that can set us all free. Na man talk amasibi, talk your make I talk my own. So let the truth be said. Let us not deceive ourselves. Okay. Anywhere if you come, we'll talk. So Naim, as if we come. Wait now. So as I was at the come. So as I was saying, we're not going to come here come the change truth. May you but like me. May you but like me. I like me, you like me. Oh. I like me, you like me. Somebody say, he say, this is the mentality of an average black man. Nobody is ready to selflessly make contribution except if favor them directly. This mentality is seemingly appalling, my brother. It's dragging us back. Now let me tell you, Terry Ugogo Odigye, just take the lead. Just take the lead. My brothers, my chair, my brother, I can't deceive you. I can't deceive you. I used America as an example. America is a beautiful town. America is a developed nation. I cited an example with the president. No, even if you are working selflessly. Now, even Jesus Christ who works selflessly. Jesus Christ wanted you to gain access into the kingdom of his Father. He came to die for your sin so that you have access to the kingdom of his Father. He did not just come and die because he loved death. He came to redeem you. There is an interest. He came to redeem you from sins. There is an interest. Jesus Christ did not just jump down to say, Jesus, oh my Father God, oh I want to die, come and kill me. No, they saw something. If we allow humanity to continue, they will perish. My son, go and die for their sin, to redeem them. There was an interest. So do not misconstrue the meaning of interest. But we have separate interests in life. But it will be disadvantageous. It will be disadvantageous if your interest now supersede the collective interest of everyone. That is where greediness comes into play. Are you telling me that at the end of every month, the governor or the president of the country will not receive salary? If the governor or president can receive salary, then you say Osakwena Okwodi should be jumping here and there for free without looking for a way to get his own salary? Or I should be sitting on Facebook talking money till evening without looking for a source of livelihood? See, the truth is bitter. But when fighting for interest, do not allow your personal interest take over the interest of everyone. Let's take an example. They brought 50,000 naira to this place, and your salary in this 50,000 naira is 5,000. You just come, you collected the whole 50,000 naira. People are crying in the street. Oh, food not your day. You join them, they cry too. Oh God, food not day. And you pocket everybody 50,000. You are a thief. You are a thief for pocketing everybody's money. You are a thief. But now, people they cry for your area, they bring 50,000 and you don't collect your 5,000. Will be your salary. You can remain 45. Everybody cries, no food, no food. You come to say, there is a 45 naira here. Take. You have not done anything bad. The 45 naira of 45,000 naira, you now bring it out or say, now, the whole of you in this place, this is what we can afford with it. Let's plan this. Fine. Not be say you say, oh my God, people are crying, I'm giving them all. You can give them all at a time, but certainly not all the time. Don't deceive. Let us not deceive ourselves. Nobody, can you die for me? You can't die for me. You can't even die for your wife. That's the truth. Can you die for me? No. So why are we deceiving ourselves to say, no, with selfless service? Where's the selfless service day? Sorry to say, in not day, none of these human from here to America to Canada to anywhere, which human being did there was go say, I want to work for 365 days, don't pay me, don't give me food, I want to be working. In not day, President Trump did not receive salary according to him, but he did not pause business. His business was going on. Go and check. The accusation of tax evasion. He was not receiving salary as a president, fine, but he did pause his business. No. If I say, okay, service, pause the business, pause everything, go to do one. Whether I know wrong, come and one day say, man, a big woman. That's the truth. But people will not want to accept the truth. So I want to say a very big thank you to all the people worldwide for the support so far. The truth of the matter is very simple. It's not easy. You get why I talk and say it's not easy. Not be me sabi walk pass. Even if on my own I think I am trying, but the Bible says never you lean on your own understanding. But the patronage keep coming. If they come like water, why are you going to do? So now let me do. Then you say me not talk thank you. My dear brothers and sisters, I am very grateful. The truth is, if you continue to engage me like this, I may not even to say, this person get this one. Why are you talking to so and so? I not get that time. I not get that time to talk about this one. I will just face my work. They go. Me as I tell you, so I don't want to insult anybody again. If you think I am not doing it well, may yourself take my position. If you think I am not doing it well, say I'm supposed to be fighting. I'll fight everybody. Please take my position. Help me to do it the way you think you can do it. But as for me, I don't do rich. Now see other people tone, may they still fight. Which self still day we stand. If you think I'm not doing it, help me. Help me. Help me. You say, okay, Osakwena Okwodi, he's supposed to be doing this one. He's not going to do one. You know the hard. Actually, see this media so. Yeah? Wait till they watch me so. If you check the left part of it, if I'm not mistaken, You see where they write life. Click on your life like this. Do the one way you say I know they do. Just click on, you will enter life. You do the one way you say Osakwena Okwodi no gree do. The one way me no gree do, where you say he's supposed to be saying this, why did he say where we do tie? You just click you see the live, they click and see, you just click and the whole world don't they see you. May you see go talk. Since you say me no they do where we are tired, they're not the big person put. You go and say it the way it's supposed to be said. As for me, na so me say me want to do my Now, I want to tell you the benefit of playing politics with sense. Listen to the benefit before I round up. Now, I dey follow bush to bush they go. In fact, I am a bushman. Do you know how many persons? Do you know how many persons were they opposition? Women are the don't jam for bush. Oh, Osakwena Okwodi was the way after. We were our election here. Me yesterday with my brother. We finish one. I said we finish. After you, what you can do? I can walk away. My brother take care. All right. Night to say I say, oh go kill you. Mo go find them. Political bitterness. My brother, forget to Osakwena Okwodi know we are your share too. If they back you for one corner, my dear brother. Ara you go on na me you onu. So me get my own personal rotation. If my personal rotation not the work for me, if I don't die, so I dey use them. Nobody can tell me go and do this and do that. No, I am doing it the way I want to. Or if you think I'm not doing it well, please cover the lacuna that I've created. Help me to do it. I did into CFO and land surveying. Izebizua Friday. Into CFO and land surveying. If you please, building plan design, construction, real estate, interlocking ties, and as well. So if you think I am not doing it well, my dear brother, do it. When we are aware, good one. And if it's good for you, fine. Now the one with me they do, now they do so. I don't want to do a pass like this. They not give me army, they not give me air force, they not give me any security. God only give me wisdom to move with people. I do finish gaga. They catch me when I walk on, they say la wo. I don't beg. So because of that, I must be very careful in whatever I do. Not everybody deceive you. You say there's no risk in it. There's risk. We don't want. Everybody knows the tension. They did the election. Nobody go first for you for election matter. Because you want win, me want win. I dey tell you my own say, man, go and sit down. Now we won't go win. You say you won't go win. At the end of the day, we win. Matter don't end. Election don't finish. You not rest. You begin to say, oh, go kill you. That one don't come up for election. Now it is not enmity. I am not ready to make enmity with anybody. Election is over. Now only now we'll get court case. Court case, you not get right to discuss about them. It is at the discretion of the law to decide. Except that we see some of them, they come out with propaganda, we only come refute that propaganda and let justice take its course. Say, make we come say after election, say, I want to send a message to that one is a mumu, this one is a no. To me, I not get enemy at all. And again, lastly, okay, do you think I'm selecting the person where they do C of O for? In case you are not aware, Togberians are giving me C of O's. Togberians. Opposition, they give me. Opposition. Well, as the people where we fight with for election. Comrade Alpha, Comrade Osakwena Okwodi. Oh yeah, C of O, and you cut me survey. Okay, we'll go do one. So everybody knew that election is over. Obaseki did not send anybody to go and be insulting anybody, even during the election. A day to the election, we went to him. And Your Excellency, the way this people prepare, we need to say, I am not giving anybody a time. If I have been doing business before I came here, if I lose, I will go. Sharing Edo money, no way. Go and work in your word. Despite the amount of money where they distribute, Edo people vote outrightly for Obaseki. Despite the money where they spread full everywhere, Edo people voted. So as at now, in case you are not aware, money politics is no longer in existence in Edo. Money politics is no longer in existence in Edo. So even if you say you get money, people they share 50,000 naira for Obaseki boots. They collect the 50,000, they vote against them. You know wise. So for those who believe that Osakwena Okwudin is not coming out to talk, I do come out to talk, but I come out reasonably to talk. I cannot be jumping on media to say, it doesn't say come out. I want to talk now. If I not go to I want to talk, I fit there for 10 months. I'm not talking anymore. Must I come and talk? Have I been commissioned to be talking? No, I must not come and talk. I can only talk where necessary. I'm not talkative. I am not a talkative. I talk where necessary. I can. They don't just come say, Obaseki, you block at that. I'll say the reason why he blows this scatter is this. Am I the spokesperson to the government? At times I may say what the governor does not even want, because I did not consult. I want the governor to believe that I talk for you. I'll go to talk Kenya. Whereas not be waiting to me make it. So we speak where necessary. We cannot just jump out to begin to talk because we want to talk. So that is the point. Thank you very much for listening to me this morning. I made it a point of duty to wake up this early morning to respond to that caller. I know he must have been watching me. Even if he's not watching me now, he's going to watch this video later. Because he happens to be my follower. But he did not call me to say, comrade, why you not the talk? I not hear from you. He went on a live video. And thank God, a friend of mine, Emmanuel S. Aigbogun, replied him diligently. And I think it is expedient on my part to do the needful as well. Thank you very much for listening to me. And don't forget that you see the way they give me that work. Not going to say, oh, I don't want to give this boy work again. Not talk about. I will come cry for your neck. Oh. I will come cry for your neck. I will come hold you for herself. If you listen, you be abroad. I see and say of work day. You not give me. I will come to your frontage. I will come sit down. I will cry there. Your wife and children will ask you, say, why this kind of mature man they cry for our frontage? You know, get anything to tell them. You tell them, say, he not give me see of oh. He not give me see of oh. He not give me see of oh. I go cry for your frontage. Wa muna me. Muna gualo. Unwina. E gualo wa mu me. Muna they give me. Muna they give me oh. I need them. Not be joke. Make una they give me work. I beg. Yeah. You can nari where you for the take, you know the put, you know the finish. It the finish now. And not say I beg you, if you not give me work, I go sew cloth, So I sew the cloth. You know the chain with doctor the waka. I'll sew one, I'll plug one for your shirt, one go there. Anywhere you go, the people come they ask for street. Is these two people mad? Don't say no, now because you don't give that boy see of who. Now me the boy tie chain for a waist too. My dear brothers and sisters, wamu wina me. Now I be waiting at the fight for. My number remains 070-3610-9939. I get to WhatsApp. The other WhatsApp number never enter my head. I know Sabi. I don't know how fit and the phone that they use now. Someone said, okay, somebody said, I don't think it's really comment. I want to read comment now to see. The one I've not responded to. Okay, my number remains 070-3610-9939. The other number is 080-7974-2172. Somebody say, comrade, are you a herbalist? No, sir, I am not a herbalist, sir. The other number is 080-7974-2172. 080-7974-2172. The third number, I'll go on Zoom and come out now.
Abeg, help us share this video to friends and family. If you get anything to add join wetin Comrade Stanley Osazedo talk for this video, you fit put am for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe so that make you for dey current with all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.